Alright, so today I am spackling this house and painting. Boy, that's a lot of spackle. Somebody who did this sheetrock before I got here was a mess. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. So I started painting in the bathroom today after I got everything spackled. So I'm looking around at stuff. Take the shower curtain down, and I'm looking around. And this is probably, I think, one of the worst tile jobs I have ever seen in my life. Look at this. Look at that beautiful crown molding. And there's like plastic trim. Look at this plastic trim. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, so anyway, so I'm in here doing my thing. I gotta show you this. Oh no, I'm not gonna cut around that. I'm not gonna core a hole. I'm just gonna cut a notch out of it. Beautiful. So then, I'm looking at this. I'm like, boy, that's not centered at all. Look at that. So I'm like, okay, let's see what's going on with it. Oh joy. I bet you any amount of money that is a shark bite fitting or a PEX fitting behind that. So then I'm over here, and then I see the shower nozzle. Now watch this. This is the cool part. This thing is awesome. Watch this, you guys. Wah, 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 wah. Oh look, it even swivels. Alright, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tile work. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. This is what not to do. This is probably the worst ever. This contractor that did this should be ashamed of himself or themselves. But whatever. We just gotta bring it to the attention of the folks here and see what they want to do with it. This is a complete rip out. I mean, look at this. Look at the speed bump. Wow. That person probably drinking on the job or something. I don't know. But yeah, I can almost bet that that plumbing behind there is probably PEX with a shark bite fitting. Almost guaranteed. So in order to fix all of that, because I don't know if they want to rip the tile out to do it. So I'm probably going to have to take this wall down. Or rip the sheetrock out. And try to fix the plumbing. But please don't do that. Look at that. I love that. It's a new feature. Oh, look. That's a great feature. Alright, well, it is what it is. Have a happy day.